So here I have the iPhone. I love the box. It really has a nice packaging. Opening it, wow, it's mint green. Just so you know, guys, I love mint green or any green color. So cute. It's already open. I already set it up, by the way, guys, before I film this. And here is the connector, as you can see. Removing the box. So nice. I love it. And here are the apps. Just to share you there. That's all the apps on the iPhone. Well, maybe most of you already know the apps of the iPhone. There, as you can see, testing the sound. It has a good sound, guys, like a speaker. So that's all. We are now moving to the cases. I bought beautiful cases. As you can see, I have Killua from Hunter x Hunter. And I'm going to trying it on. It's so nice. It's so cute. I love it. It really is a perfect match. I love it. It's so freaking nice. The next one is like summer, lemons and leaves. What do you call that? Is that mint green? Yep. It really suits good too. Like the summer vibe. So fantastic. We're moving on to the next case. This one just clear and has the same color with my iPhone 12. And it's so clear, it's so pure, it's so nice, as you can see. It's just so perfect. Just simple and elegant to look at. And the last one is a clear with a cute cat design. A clear case with a cute cat design. There we go. Yep. It's so nice. As you can see, I pick the perfect cases that are really good for my iPhone 12. It's so cute. There's a cute cat and life is so wonderful. There we go. Very good.